Hello everyone and welcome to another English lesson, a very apt poem for today's extraordinary times, Life by Charlotte Bronte, the first poem in your textbook's Standard 9. Life believe is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall? Wise men tell us that life is not as bad as most people say. Morning rain in the poem is a metaphor that symbolizes sorrow. Sorrow leading to happiness, a nice day. So the poet is trying to say that sometimes early morning there are difficulties in life, but they are only temporary or transient. A metaphor here is a direct comparison between two things. So here in the poem, morning rain means sorrow or difficulties or bad times in life. And the poet says that these are bound to happen, these difficulties, but they are transient or temporary. The poet asks a rhetorical question. If rain makes the roses bloom, then why should we cry about it? In other words, sorrows lead to happiness and they shouldn't be lamented or cried about. Now, a rhetorical question is another figure of speech where we do not expect a reply. A question is asked without expecting a reply. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win, oh hope a heavy sway? So Charlotte Bronte continues to tell us that there are good moments in life, but they fly past very quickly. So we should enjoy these good moments with gratitude as they go by very, very fast. Sometimes our best and most loved people are called away from this world. Our good times can also turn into bad times. Sometimes it seems that sorrow or grief or sadness seems to have a greater advantage over hope. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. Hope springs back into action with her cheerful golden wings. Hope is not conquered even during bad times. After bad times, hope is still very strong and makes us stronger. Hope is always there, even in the worst of our times. We can still have hope that the next or tomorrow will be much better than today. The poet asks us to bravely, courageously, fearlessly bear the troubled times. For she says that courage or bravery puts an end to despair or sadness. This is especially true of today's times. We are going through this pandemic, troubled days, change days, different days. But all of us have hope that very soon we will be out of this misery we are in. Thus the poet ends the poem with a strong will, hope and determination that good times will ultimately come to her. The summary. Throughout the poem, the poet Charlotte Bronte shares her optimistic views on life. She's a happy person. She's very hopeful that good things are there. They are coming. That is the meaning of being optimistic. She says that even though there are problems, these problems are transient or temporary. Bad times don't last forever, and happiness is close by, always around the corner. She encourages us to live happy and fearless lives and to enjoy the good times as they go past very quickly. She is a believer that even though we have great troubles, it is hope that rescues or saves us. Some meanings. Sages are the wise men, pundits, thinkers, foretells means to predict. Gloom is sadness. Flit by means move by quickly or swiftly. Day of trial is a day of judgment, and despair is a loss of hope. The appreciation of this poem. The poem Life is a three-stanza or three-verse poem written by Charlotte Bronte. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AB AB, except for the first and third lines of the first stanza where dream and rain do not rhyme. So the first stanza has a rhyme scheme of A B C B. The poetess makes use of various figures of speech such as metaphor, personification, interrogation, alliteration, which add deep meaning to this poem. The poem Life has a simple message that life is not necessarily bad or unpleasant. She tells us to enjoy the quickly passing good moments in life, and we must always remember life is a blend or a mixture of happiness and sorrow. During difficult times, we should be optimistic, never lose hope, and know that things will be right soon. Some question and answers. What do the sages say? The sages or wise men say that life is not as bad as some people say. What does the rain often predict or foretell? Rain or sorrow often foretells a pleasant day, where rain is spoken about as sorrow. What should we do during joyful times in life? Instead of crying over the problems, we should cheerfully enjoy the joyful times which pass by very quickly. Who does our best refer to? Our best refers to the people in our lives who we love very dearly. It also refers to the rapidly passing good times in life. Why are the wings of hope golden? Wings of hope are golden as they give us desire or the wanting to face the future bravely and fearlessly. Charlotte Bronte, who says that I am no bird and no net ensnares or traps me. I am a free human being with an independent will.